wouldn't want anybody touching the car because it looks better than when it was coming out of the factory.
So we're all finished up. Client's on his way. Last thing we got to do is put the license plate in the car. We're good to go. We jumped in, we got the vacuum out, we vacuumed inside, we put some seat covers on. Everything's clean on the inside, windows are wiped down. So now we got the boxes out. We're taking some of the glamour shots just for the beauty of social media. You don't get credit unless you post it to Instagram, I guess, right? So 2017 Ferrari GTB, has about 4,000 miles. Came from Florida, owner just picked it up out of Philadelphia. We're here in the Lehigh Valley, Allentown, Bethlehem, Easton. If you're in Bucks County, Montgomery County, Poconos, we can help you out. We put paint protection film, we put S-Tech Dyno paint protection film on it. What's paint protection film? Paint protection film is a clear polyurethane product, much like a screensaver that goes on your iPhone, your smartphone, and your Samsung. It's going to stop all the rock chips and stone chips from tearing the front of this vehicle up. So it comes on a roll, computer cut, based upon temperature of your vehicle, stops all the rock chips, all the stone chips from tearing your vehicle up, which is going to diminish the resale value of your vehicle. For this Ferrari, we did our full front end, so it's a full bumper, full hood, full fenders, full mirrors. It's our standard package. We have pricing on our website at ImmaculatePaintProtection.com. I know you're looking at this and going, well, that makes sense, Bill. That's car's a few $100,000. Of course you're going to protect the front end. Well, we'll put the S-Tech Dyno, we'll put the Premium Shield, we'll put paint protection film on your Kia, on your Hyundai, on your Honda, your Toyota. Really makes sense for vehicles like that. Why does it make sense for a $40,000, $50,000 minivan? Well, because if you're buying a $40,000 or $50,000 minivan, it's really expensive. I get it. You want your vehicle looking new. If you're going to keep your vehicle 7, 8, 9, 10 years after it's paid off, our paint protection film lasts for 10 years. 10-year product. So at year 8, 9, 10, your vehicle's still going to be, it's going to be paid off, but it's going to be looking brand new. That's the beauty of the paint protection film. All the rock stone chips aren't going to tear it up. Here in the Northeast, here at Allentown, Bethlehem, Easton, Lehigh Valley, we got bad driving conditions. We get driving in the wintertime. That's all going to tear the front end up. Here's a quick test. If you got your vehicle at home, go. You got 40, 50,000 miles in your vehicle, go look at the back end. You won't see any rock chips or stone chips. That looks brand new, like brand new paint. Then you go look at the front end, and you're going to have all these rock chips and stone chips all over it. That's why you need paint protection film. And you know what? You're not going to take the car to the body shop and have the body shop painted. It's going to be $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 to have it painted at the body shop. Then the body shop's going to report that to Carfax. Then your car is in the body shop on Carfax having repair work, and you go to trade it in. The dealer's going to say, "Oh, geez, that's too bad. You had all this body work done. We got to give you less value." You go to trade in your car after you have paint protection film. You're going to be like, "Hey, give me some more money. Look how new this car looks." That's the beauty of paint protection film. So back to the Ferrari. We did full front end standard package. Client wanted to add on the rockers, which is this carbon fiber here. Goes up to there. A few extra days onto it. Client was coming in from some progress reports. Got really excited. Really enjoyed the way the film was looking on the front. We talked about doing it on the back end. So we did the quarter panels here, which makes sense because it's got a rear engine. So you take this car to a Cars and Coffee. You know, some chucklehead's going to come up and lean over this car and try to look in that engine. Potentially, take their belt buckles, scratch the paint up, and then walk away from it. Or little kids are going to get excited. They're going to come up. They're going to jump. They're going to put their hands all over it. They're going to look in. Or you take it into the service. The mechanic has to get in, lean over the car to get in there. Well, he's going to put the mats on the car to protect the paint, but what's underneath that mat, right? That's my question. So if he laid the mat on the ground, picks up some stone, some dirt, lays it on your car, and that's going to rub on there and scratch the paint. Did rear bumper, because we want to protect this area from these big Michelin tires throwing stuff up, so the whole bumper's done. Computer cut patterns, ruffle roll, Ferrari emblems cut out there. I mean, the prancing horse is cut out by the computer. There's film on there, trust me. The nice thing about the S-Tech film that we really like here is we like the clarity of it. It doesn't have, as far as the competitor films, we found that here's film, no film. Film, no film. So it has very, 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 almost non-existent orange peel, which we've seen that with some of the other competitor paint protection films, and that's why we don't have them here in the shop. So it's called paint protection film, not paint perfection. some people, they don't like the look of paint protection film, the purists for these vehicles like that. But I get that. But then again, you're not going to be able to drive the car. You want to take this car out and drive it. We're here in the Lehigh Valley, Allentown, Bethlehem, Easton, Bucks County, Montgomery County, Poconos. You're going to drive this car. There's going to be stuff on the road. Some guy's going to cut in front of you and throw up a bunch of stone chips, stones, embers, whatever. That's not, you can't stop that from happening. So the other thing we did is we did Geon Flash ceramic coating. What's a ceramic coating? Ceramic coating is not going to stop the rock chips, but it's going to make it's going to help the car stay cleaner longer, and it's going to make the car, when you do have to wash it, and you will have to wash it, it's going to make it super easy to clean. So we polished the car down, we put the ceramic coating on, we've baked it off. That's why it's so glossy. So we're here in Allentown at ImmaculatePaintProtection.com. We're hassle-free, haggle-free. Pricing's posted online. So if you got questions on pricing, check us out online at ImmaculatePaintProtection.com. Our most popular packages are priced out there. If you have a Honda, a Kia, we'll help you out. If you got a Toyota, we'll help you out. If you got one of these hypercars, if you got a Ferrari or Lambo, we'll help you out. Cadillac, we can do it. I mean, look, the last vehicle we did this week, and then we did the Ferrari, was a Mazda 3. And we were just as excited to work on the Mazda 3 as we were this Ferrari, because that guy's working hard to make his money to pay for that Mazda and wants to protect it. Same thing like this guy does. So it's all about the passion for the vehicles. So if you got any questions, want to protect your brand new investment, contact us today at ImmaculatePaintProtection.com. Protect your car today against damage from driving tomorrow.
For packages, pricing, and more, visit us at ImmaculatePaintProtection.com.